All right, this is Drew with Classic Auto Insurance here at the Columbus Goodguys 2019. And we just talked to the owner of this car, Tom, and it's fantastic. I mean, you just don't see wagons that are being done in this fashion. You know, a lot of, what we love are the unique things. So here with Kenneth with Hot Rod Specialties, and these guys built this car. Also did the work on the Camaro we just talked about. What is your favorite thing on this car, other than the fact it's out of your shop and that guy did a burnout?
Well, man, it's tough to say on this one. There's a lot of good stuff, but the 9-passenger is kind of cool because, we go to lunch, we throw everybody in the shop in it, go out on a test drive, right, grab some pizza, and, have a good time in it.
I mean, it's fantastic. I mean, we were talking to Tom, and obviously family was an important piece of this. And to your point, the 9-passenger hits that, mark for them. But, as far as you get a lot of people coming up saying, I can't believe you guys built this.
Oh, yeah. It's, the whole time I was in the shop, people come in, they'd be like, what is that? Who's building a wagon? But then they'd be like, it's so cool.
Well, and we were talking earlier about how, so much of this is the story. And I think this is just a tremendous story about how these guys, Anthony and his dad, are connected and love to come to this stuff. And obviously Anthony's kids are younger. Obviously your family's involved in cars, so I think it's part of that.
Oh, yeah. I think the whole industry, it's a family thing, Everybody, like you just said, the parents get the kids into it, the kids get their kids, and it's just a generational thing. And the memories growing up, going to the shows with family, and it just brings it all back.
Look, man, appreciate your time. And let's hope that continued generations keep doing stuff like that. It's going to keep us all in business.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, man. Thank you very much.
Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.